PiggyBounce is a tool that lets you upload your image or even capture screenshots directly from a website using a URL. And once they are uploaded and ready, you can start labeling and provide reviews by drawing bounding boxes around the object you want to identify, and which you can also easily share among your team members and collaborate. So let me quickly show you guys how it works. The first thing you'll notice is that I'm signed in with my Google account. That's completely optional. But having an account makes it much easier to keep all your uploaded assets organized and managed everything in one place. Now, before you start reviewing, you will need an image to work with. You can upload images in almost any format from your device. Just copy and paste an image. Drag and drop it or click the browse button to select one. If you'd rather capture something from a website, that's easy too. Just paste the website URL into the URL bar. Click Start Labeling, and PiggyBounce will capture a screenshot and make it ready for labeling. For this demo, I'm going to capture a screenshot from a website and use it as the image we will review. I'll use this sample website because it has few areas that could be improved, which makes it a great example for adding reviews. All I need to do is copy the website, paste it into PiggyBounce, and we are ready to go. Once the screenshot has been captured, you will be taken to the preview page. Here you will see the website screenshot you just captured. The image is displayed on an interactive canvas, so you can move around the any direction and explore any part of it. Over in the top right corner, you will see a quick guide to all the controls. The main ones you will use are pretty simple. You can pinch in or out on the trackpad or hold Ctrl and scroll on your mouse to zoom in and out. Hold the space key and click to pan around the image. There are a few more shortcuts listed that you can explore anytime. And in order to create bounding boxes to provide a review, just click and drag anywhere on the image. As soon as you draw a bounding box, a text box will pop up where you can leave your review for that specific area. Everything you type is saved automatically, so there's no need to click a save button. When you are finished, just click anywhere outside the text box. Clicking a bounding box will preview your review. Double-click the review box if you want to make changes. Every bounding box you create also appear in the sidebar, making it easy to jump between all your reviews. Let me add a few more bounding boxes and leave some additional feedbacks. For example, I'll review this form, which I think could be designed a lot better and made much easier to use. Inside the review description, you can also add images. I already have one copied, so I'll just paste it directly into the description box. Once it's added, anyone viewing the review the image to open a larger preview. Now that I'm done adding my reviews, it's time to share them with the rest of the team. Before I do that, I'll give this review project a proper name. To share it, just click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. That opens the share dialog where you can either share the QR code or simply copy and send the link. If you are not signed in, the share link will always have edit permission and you won't be able to change it. But since I'm signed in, I can choose the permission label for anyone I share it with. For this example, I'll set the permission to read and resolve. so others can view the review and mark them as resolved when the work is done. Now let's see what this looks like from a team member's perspective. I'll open the shared link in an incognito window. As you can see, they can open the link and explore the asset just like we did. They can click any bounding boxes or select a label from the sidebar to read the review. If a review contains an image, they can click it to open a larger preview as well. Since this user only has read and resolve permission, they can't move labels, edit reviews, or create new ones. Those actions are disabled. What they can do is mark a review as resolved once the issue has been addressed, making it easy for everyone to keep track of what's been completed. When a label is marked as resolved, it lets everyone know that the issue has been taken care of. You will also see label title crossed out in the sidebar, making it easy to spot what's already been completed. If you want to focus only on the remaining work, you can hide all the resolved label within a single click. So you are only looking at the reviews that still need attention. If you are signed in, you will also have access to your dashboard. That's where all of your uploaded assets are stored. So it's easy to find and manage your projects. To keep everything even more organized, you can create spaces and group related projects together in a way that makes sense for your team. You can also upload new assets directly from the dashboard. And if you are already inside a specific space, any assets you upload there will automatically be added to that space, helping you keep your project organized from the start.